Hi guys, it's Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and today we have been working on this 2015 BMW Z4. The car's come all the way down from London after a referral, and we have done quite a few bits. So we've fitted one of our roof modules. I'm not going to show the roof module off on its own because we haven't really got time and we've already got a video. But one of the main things that the customer wanted was the fold on lock mirrors. So when you lock the vehicle now, which isn't a factory standard, the mirrors will automatically fold in, and then when you unlock the vehicle, they'll come out again. So this is a feature that you can't get from factory. So it's our roof module that's doing it. But most importantly, we have fitted a parking camera to the rear and to the front of the vehicle. So I'm just going to show you the rear now. So there's the camera pointing down there. Hopefully you can see it, looking nice, neat and tidy, integrated into the rear bumper that's had to come off to be able to install it. And then when we run through to the front of the vehicle, we've done a custom install. Again, the bumpers come off because we wanted to get a really nice camera installation into the vehicle. And I'm just going to turn on some lights so you can see it. So we've taken the front bumper off, and into the grille we have installed the front parking camera. So not only is it keeping in flush style with the grille, you also, when you pull away from the vehicle, you can only just see it. It's not protruding like a lot of other aftermarket front cameras that are on a little mount. It protrudes and sticks out and all that sort of stuff. So it's a really nice integrated, almost OEM spec front parking camera that integrates nicely into the infotainment system inside. We'll jump in now and I'll show you how it all looks when we're in the car. Okay, so we've just jumped inside the vehicle. We're still inside our workshop at the moment, just purely because the weather is so atrocious out there. You wouldn't see very much going on the camera. So what we'll do is we'll just fire up the vehicle. As you can see, we've got this large non-touchscreen system that's motorized on this Z4. So what we'll do is we'll fire up the car, and then to start off with, just very quickly, we have got the OEM parking sensor button down here as well. So what we'll do is we'll pop the car into reverse, and there we go. So on this lovely 10.2 screen, you can see the parking sensors. Now, because it is a wider screen, the image is very slightly stretched, but it's there to give you an idea of what it's going to look like. So we get moving guidelines, and we also get our parking sensor block so that you can see what your sensors are doing, so you're not losing that information. So on a car like this, where you can't really see out the back window, it's really going to help things. And as well, from the front, when we go into drive, the camera automatically flicks over, and as you can see our shutter doors here. And again, if you can probably see, you can't really see very much of over the front of the vehicle, and this camera, after a certain amount of time, will switch off. So we'll just go into reverse and then back into drive again, and there you go. So just to give the customer a bit of confidence when they're parking, and we have got a slight lip here, but we wanted to have a more sort of OEM feel on the camera, and it was nicely integrated, as you saw on the previous video. And yeah, so it's an aftermarket based system that's working with genuine factory parking sensors, and it's all integrated into this lovely 10.2 motorized screen. So if you've got a BMW Z4 or any Z4 or any BMW, sorry, that you want to have a factory style parking system fitted like this, either rear or front and rear, then get in touch. The web address is www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as always, thanks for watching.